kind of starting this vlog like a little backwards. I'm taking off my makeup. I was gonna film like an everyday makeup routine for you guys when I did my makeup this morning, but I was kind of in a hurry, so didn't get to that. But I will show you guys like my nighttime routine and like the face products I use. And then if you guys are interested in my everyday makeup routine, and it does not look great right now because I've been wearing it all day, but if you are interested, I might record that tomorrow and do like just a separate video just for that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my night routine. Okay, so the first thing that I start with is the Bliss makeup melt. So you can put this on dry, and then it's like a jelly cleanser, so it like melts your makeup. The Fab Foaming 2-in-1 cleanser with bamboo buffers. Once a week, I go in with the apricot scrub. I know that this stuff apparently is not great for your face, but it's the only thing I found that like really exfoliates my skin and makes it feel just like super clean. And I just love it, so I still use it. But anyways, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you guys the products I use after. Okay, now I'm gonna just go in with a little bit of this scrub, mainly my nose, like my T-zone. And yes, my face is a lot wider than my body right now because I'm self-tanned, and I typically don't self-tan my face because I just do a lot of skincare and like scrubbing, so it ends up coming off anyways. I just wear like a darker foundation to match, so I'll look a little crazy when I don't have my makeup on, but it's fine. Okay, this is like the best angle I'm gonna get in the bathroom, but after I've washed and scrubbed my face, I go in with a toner, actually 2 toners. So just like on my entire face, I do the Bliss Watermelon Replenishing Toner. And in my T-zone, this is the Ole Henriksen Balance Force Oil Control Toner. One with this one. One in my T-zone. Moisturizers. I use the CeraVe eye cream under my eyes. After that, I go in with my serum. This one is the Bliss Bright Idea Vitamin C Tripeptide. This is collagen protecting and brightening serum. This one's really good and really lightweight, so I put this all over. For my moisturizer, this is the Olay Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen. This has SPF 15 in it. And then either in the morning or at night, I'll use the Neutrogena Soothing Clear Turmeric Mist. I already used it this morning, so I'm not going to use it again just because I don't like to use a lot of acne products on my face just because I have really sensitive skin. This does have acne medication in it, and so it really starts to irritate my skin. So I'm not going to do it tonight. I already did it this morning, but this stuff is really amazing. But if you guys are ever looking for a really good mask, the one I use is the Ole Henriksen, which is the same brand as this toner. It is pretty expensive, but their products are amazing. This is the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. This one is very expensive. I think it's $60, but I use it once a week and it has helped my skin a ton. I am breaking out a little bit right now just because stress, but normally my face looks a lot more clear than this. This is my night routine. I just got a little red from this toner. It does make my face a little bit sensitive, but anywho's, I'm just gonna close out the vlog here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.